Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a really quick project for you today. I wanted to laminate some of these goodie bags that I received in Happy Mail, and I'm going to use them as pockets in my traveler's notebook. And oops, I moved it. And what is that? Anyway, these are bags, zip bags, snack bags, treat bags, whatever you want to call them. They're plastic. And I just cut off the closures on the tops of the bags. So if you watched us, Ebony and myself, we went live with Kristianne, who's Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. We went live with her on a Friday, I think 2 weeks ago. And Kristianne was playing with the laminating sheets and some goodie bags. They were plastic goodie bags. So she created pockets for the traveler's notebooks and stuff. So I'm doing the same thing. I just cut off the closures on the top. I stuck in some regular printer paper to keep the pocket open so it doesn't seal with the laminating machine. And then when I pull them out, I will cut them apart, and then I'll show you the results of how they come out. So just want to make sure they're spaced evenly, so they have enough room in between each of them so they seal. I think that's good enough. So now I'm going to take it to my laminator. Right now it's hot, turned on. So I'm going to run this through and see how these come out. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. They look bubbly because remember there's paper in between the layers. So I'm going to use my trimmer to clean this out. I need a new paper trimmer, like for real, because this is so annoying. I'm cutting them apart and it tears my paper. All right, so I'm going to leave a little gap at the top here, and I'm going to make sure I don't cut into the bubble where the second bag is. So hopefully they're all lined up. And if not, oh well, you know, trial and error. Just gotta go with it. All right. Now, to open the pocket, right? I'm gonna just take my, you know what? Let's just use the trimmer. And cut into that bubble. And if you take a little piece off, that's okay. Because now you can take this, open that up, and look at this. You have a pocket. And you slide the paper out. Very, very cute. This is the bag. I've got a little bit of, you know, if you have little dust, paper dust, it's going to get caught, so it's okay. So that is cute. I'm glad that worked out. And then here is the next one. We're going to cut these open. Make sure I don't cut the bubble on the side. Okay. And then just cut the top open. So this one, the paper didn't go all the way to the top, so I'm going to have to cut down to where the paper is. And, oh, I didn't cut enough. Try to cut that one more time. And then we should be able to open that up and slide the paper out. There we go. And it's much stronger than the plastic baggie. And you get a whole nice little pocket. Oh, cute. You know, when we were on live with Kristianne, we were all like experimenting with her. So she did all the hard work. And so I will leave Kristianne's link down below. So you can go check out that live. And then I'll just take anything, scissors, whatever. Just make sure you don't cut the bubble. I'm going to trim these corners because I don't want to cut myself. I am known to cut myself. Let's just trim the corner a little bit, just so it's not so sharp, you know. And don't make a new corner, pointy corner for yourself. So that's much better. Much better. So now we could cut these two apart. Make sure we don't cut the air bubble. Break out those laminators and just play with it. You know, what's the point having these tools? If we don't play with it, we're gonna make mistakes. We're gonna, you know, mess up a little bit, and that's okay. It's okay if you make a mistake. It's how we're gonna learn. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing to this one and cut right up the edge. Sorry if you could hear my child. He's on his game right now, so he's really loud. And there you go. And you'll be probably wondering, why are we laminating, you know, the bag? Because the treat bags aren't meant to last forever. But if you laminate it, it makes it sturdier. At least you could make, you know, get a second use out of it. So let me see. This one's a little tricky because it had a clear bottom, so just make sure I don't cut the right. Hopefully I don't cut the bubble. All right. So I'm barely getting to the edge of the bubble. You see this air gap right here? Right there? You don't want to cut that. That will separate it. So you want to go a little bit above it. So, you know, just stay away from that laminating edge of the bubble. The bubble. And then this one, the paper, it went down. So cut where the paper is. And there is your pocket. Isn't that cute? There you go. That is your laminated pockets. And if you use Trevor's notebook, let me see, where's my, oh, here. You just got to figure out where you want to put it. Put everything. Look at this. I don't want to put it here because there's a pocket already right there. I don't want to put it there. Let's go back here. We can either glue it or use some really strong adhesive to attach it. Attach it to the page, and you can create two pockets, like the pocket we just made right here, and then a pocket behind it if you just glue the three sides. If you glue three sides down. Okay. I think I could cut cut a little bit more off because this one's really thick. Let's cut away some of this extra lamination. There we go. And if I ruin it, I ruin it. If I don't, hey. Okay. Let's see if it fits better. Does it fit like this? Nope. Does it fit like that? That's cute. Right on top of this. It hangs out too much. So we're going to put it on this side and tuck it underneath. All right, let me get some, figure out how we're going to attach it to the page. Let's see. I really didn't think this through. I might have to stitch it. I might have to stitch these pockets onto the page, and because I didn't stitch my traveler's notebook to the cover, my insert to the cover, I could take out each page and add it, put it back when I'm done. So I can take this and stitch these 3 sides. So I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I stitched my pocket to the page. This is Chiquita's hand-dyed paper, and there's 2 pockets. So now you have a pocket in the back and you have a pocket in the front right there. So you see where the paper is? Right there and all in the back. So 2 pockets for 1 simple stitch. This goes here, and I just push this back into the traveler's notebook. Pull it through, and just like that. Cute, cute, cute. There we go. Perfect. Back in the pocket. Still very neat. Oh, don't just discard that. So there you go. And now we got this one. This little pocket I want to put somewhere in here. Oh my gosh. I think my melody would be perfect on this one. Where can we put the twins? We'll put the twin star. Oh, let's put her with this one. So you can put her here. That's cute. And that's cute too. I like her better on this one. And so, like I said, you could use the clear dough stick tape on here, or you could, what do you call that? Something else. I don't know. But we're going to take this page. Oh, it's the same page. Oh, I got the pocket on that one. That's okay. We're going to take that page. I'm going to take out the Hello Kitty page. We're going to put my melody on here, stitch her on that side, and then put her back in. Okay, guys, so here is what I got. So this is the other TN. This is the, so far what I've got. It's the 8.5 by 5.5. And let's see, I found my elastic, so I changed out the thick gold elastic for the silver. And then here we go. This is what I did with the laminated pockets. So in order to get it in there, I stitched a zigzag stitch all the way around. So here you have a back pocket, and then you have a second pocket. So you got 2 pockets in here, like that. And then a cinnamon roll here. And then we have Hello Kitty. I already showed you Hello Kitty. Then we have the twin stars, one of my favorites. See, like right there, it's clear pocket, and then in the back you got the second pocket. I just did zigzag stitch and I left some of the strings on it. And the next one, I think we got some, where are you at? My Melody, there we go. So you got, again, the double pocket. That way you get that 2 pockets to go in there. And the last, oh, is that the last? She was the last one. So there is my rainbow paper clip, the KS Crafts rainbow, little rainbow paper clip. And then this is the heart paper clip. And you can put it anywhere, but I'm gonna put her here and like that, and just take my elastic and put her across like that. I'm gonna put some beads on this thing, decorate it up a little bit. So yes, this is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're crafting along with us. I know there's more than one Hello Kitty lover out there, so join the fun. Use the hashtag Hello Kitty. Oh no, hashtag HKN Friends 2025. I think I want to add these little baggies somehow, maybe to a page or something. But thank you all for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.